If you're new here, I'm Alicia, a nutrition coach and your go-to girl for all things nutrition, wellness, and real-life healthy habits that actually make a difference. This is one of the most underrated wellness tools in your kitchen, and chances are you're not using it to its full potential. Apple cider vinegar with Mother. This cloudy little bottle right here, it's a game changer. And no, it's not just for salad dressing. You've probably heard someone say, just drink apple cider vinegar. It boosts metabolism, clears skin, helps with digestion, but does it really? Or is it just another overhyped health fad? If you're someone who deals with bloating after meals, sluggish digestion, sugar cravings, or blood sugar crashes, you're gonna want to stick around. Apple cider vinegar can support better digestion, balance blood sugar, and even help you feel more satisfied after meals. But here's the catch. Most people don't use it consistently, or they're using it wrong, and that's why they don't see results. So let's break it down. What's actually in this stuff, and why does it matter? That murky stuff at the bottom, that's called the Mother, and it's full of beneficial bacteria, enzymes, and acetic acid. These help support gut health, aid digestion, and improve nutrient absorption. Blood sugar support. Studies show that apple cider vinegar can help stabilize blood sugar, especially when consumed before meals with carbohydrates. That means fewer crashes, fewer cravings, and more balanced energy. Appetite control and satiety. It may help you feel fuller longer, making it easier to stick to your nutrition goals. Bloat and digestion. Feeling heavy or bloated after meals? The acetic acid helps your stomach to produce enough acid to break down food more efficiently. You might be wondering, how is apple cider vinegar actually made, and what even is the Mother? Apple cider vinegar starts as apple juice. It goes through a two-step fermentation process. First, natural sugars are turned into alcohol and then into acetic acid. That cloudy stuff at the bottom, that's the Mother. A mix of enzymes, probiotics, and beneficial bacteria created during fermentation. It's the real powerhouse behind most of the apple cider vinegar's benefits. Okay, before you start chugging this stuff like it's a detox lemonade, let's clear up a few common mistakes I see when people use apple cider vinegar. Number 1, drinking it straight. Apple cider vinegar is acidic. Drinking it straight can damage your tooth enamel or irritate your throat, so always dilute it with water or use it in food. Number 2, thinking more is better. 1 tablespoon is plenty. Some people go overboard thinking more equals faster results, but that can lead to nausea, acid reflux, and mess with your potassium levels. Number 3, expecting instant results. Apple cider vinegar is not a magic pill. It works best as a part of a consistent, balanced routine, not a one-time quick fix. You probably won't see results after 1 glass. Give it time. Number 4, using the filtered kind. Not all apple cider vinegar is created equal. Make sure you're using the kind that says with the Mother and that says raw and unfiltered right there. Raw and unfiltered. That's where the gut-friendly benefits live. If it's crystal clear, it's probably just vinegar and water. Finally, skipping the food. Taking apple cider vinegar on an empty stomach might work for some, but for others, it can cause nausea. I personally do better with a little something on my stomach, or I use it as a part of a meal. Here's how you can incorporate apple cider vinegar into your routine. Morning tonic. 1 tablespoon of Bragg apple cider vinegar, 8 to 10 ounces of warm water. Optional, lemon juice, dash of cinnamon, or raw honey. I drink this before breakfast to help with digestion and curb cravings. Salad dressing. Just mix apple cider vinegar, olive oil, mustard, and garlic. Delicious and gut friendly. Before heavier meals. A quick diluted shot 15 to 20 minutes before a carb-heavy meal helps me feel more balanced afterwards. So, is apple cider vinegar worth it? Yes, if you're consistent and use it right. Okay, so have you tried apple cider vinegar before? Are you considering it? Have you been thinking about it but you've been on the fence? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.